Hello everyone, today, Moon Family will take you to visit Niagara Falls. One of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world, an iconic wonder of both America and Canada. Niagara Falls is located on the Niagara River on the North American continent. More than 12,000 years ago, the melting of ice led to the formation of the Niagara River and many other factors, then creating the waterfall as it is now. Niagara Falls features three waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Let's discover more. Horseshoe Falls, the largest, stands 57 meters tall and is the most powerful in North America. Horseshoe Falls Canadian waterfall belongs to Canadian territory with a width of 792 meters and a height of up to 57 meters. Next is America Falls, with a waterfall arc width of more than 286 meters and a height of about 27 meters. Bridal Veil Falls is almost as tall as America Falls, but is just over 13 meters wide. According to estimation, every second about 3,160 tons of water flows through Niagara Falls. Specifically, 2,500 tons through Horseshoe, 660 tons at America Falls and Bridal Veil. Since ancient times, indigenous Indians gave the name Niagara, meaning thunder god of water. Niagara Falls in summer is considered the most suitable time to experience the beauty. The mist and wind from the falls will make the air cool. The waterfall is clear and fresh in the summer, water foam splashed white. Sunlight passing through the waterfall creates a magical shimmering rainbow. We are entering the most astonishing waterfalls, the Horseshoe Falls.
đỏ xanh. À đúng rồi, con đỏ là của cái này. Nó là áo mưa. Phát cho cái áo mưa đó. Xanh là Mỹ, đỏ là ra Canada, và phía Canada. Đấy mình nhưng mà chắc là người ta bảo bên Canada đẹp hơn thì là bên đây. Nhưng mà còn view được ra, còn Mỹ là phải đi thẳng xuống đây. Mỹ mà không đi thuyền xuống thì không nhìn được gì hết. Nhưng mà đúng là đứng đến đây thì cũng có thì cảm giác có hơi nước nhỉ. Nhưng mà cái bọt của nó cũng không cao phết nha chị ta. Kia chắc là cái chính đấy, nó cao. Mạnh.
Welcome aboard Niagara Safety Firefighting Equipment. Life jackets are stored in the labeled storage lockers located throughout the boat. The instructions on filing your life jackets is also clearly labeled in the storage lockers. Life rafts are located at the stern of the boat. In the event of an emergency, please remain calm. An alarm will sound and you will be directed by our crew members on how to proceed. If you require special care or assistance in emergency situations, please make yourself known to a crew member. For your own safety, please do not stand on the benches. Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your step and follow on the floor, especially when going up or down stairs or the stairs. We hope you enjoy your boat tour to the falls. Thank you for choosing.
Où ça? Viens. Viens. Malik. Malik. Reste la place pour qu'on parle et on se voit.
لا لا كارتي حط في الساك هدوم مالك رد بالك الكاسكيت يا شوي دق بس الكاسكيت عملي تصوير شوي ده اعطي كارولين قول لها صورنا انا ومالك
على ستة شيء نحاس على ستة زي بعد
لا اعطيت صورنا
لو صور من عندي انا قريب
ايش بحدي
Dân Mỹ có vẻ giống ít hơn dân Canada. Thì cứ nhìn thuyền là biết.
It's interesting that on both sides of the Niagara River, there are two cities with the name Niagara Falls. The only difference is that one side belongs to New York, USA. The other side belongs to Ontario, Canada. If you have the opportunity to visit Canada or US, it's highly recommended to visit this wonderful natural wonder. Thank you for your kind support. Please like, comment, and please subscribe to the channel to follow new trips with the Moon family. Thank you, and see you in the next video.